In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drive on Google Drive. We'll go step by step, making it easy to follow along. First, head over to Google Drive in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account to access your drive. Once you're all set and looking at your Google Drive homepage, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see your existing files and folders, and on the left side of your screen, there's a handy menu. This is where you'll find the plus new button, which is your ticket to creating a new drive experience within Google Drive. Click on that plus new button. It's a key feature of Google Drive, serving as the gateway to not only creating folders but also uploading files, folders, and even using Google's suite of Office apps. But for today, our focus is on creating a new folder, which you can think of as a mini drive within the larger structure of Google Drive. After clicking plus new, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose New Folder. Here, you get to be creative with how you organize your digital storage. Think about what you want to call this new folder. It could be something specific like Project Alpha, or more general like My Second Drive. Naming your folder thoughtfully can make your life a lot easier when you're looking for files later on. Once you've decided on the perfect name, type it in. Now that you've got your folder named, go ahead and click the Create button. This action finalizes your new folder, and voila, you'll see it appear in your My Drive section, ready to be used as if it were its own standalone drive. This newly created folder acts just like a mini drive within your Google Drive, offering you a dedicated space to store and organize documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or any other type of file you might need for personal or professional use. From here, you can drag and drop files directly into this folder, share it with collaborators, or open it to add new content. The flexibility is yours to explore, and managing files becomes so much simpler with everything neatly contained in one place. By following these steps, you've not only created a folder but a whole new organizational tool to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Feel free to use this new folder to declutter your digital life, expand on new ideas, or plan your next project with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your Google Drive experience. Be sure to check out more of our videos to continue upgrading your digital skills.